Hi, and welcome back. So, we've made all the pieces we need and we've planned out our storyboard and our interview.
In this final activity, we're going to film our movies.
Ready?
Let's go. A shot list maps out what happens and what will be used in a particular shot or scene of a film. I've planned the structure of my movie using my storyboard. I've got the answers to my interview questions, and Josh and I have also role-played the scene when Sammy and Polly meet. Now, I'm going to use all of this information to create my shot list. You'll need to break your movie up into scenes. Mine has 3. Each scene has a setting, which I'll write in the shot list. I'm also going to write in any action notes, what's happening, and any dialogue, what's said. Don't worry if you can't read it all now. My example's in the downloads.
Finally, it's time to film our movie. We had a look at how stop motion studio works in our first video, so if you need a reminder, why not watch it back? You can also take a look at their website, which has some great tutorials. In this video, we're going to focus on how to make our animations really interesting with moving foregrounds and backgrounds. It's all about multitasking. Before we start, it's important to get everything set up to make filming as easy as possible. Now, I've set myself up on a table. I've got my phone in a holder with the screen up and the camera facing down. I've got some lights, and my backdrop and characters are all laid out ready on the table.
Hey, that's looking great. Oh, there's loads more to do though. Use your storyboard and your shot list to make sure you've got everything filmed. Now, before we go any further with animating, let's have a look at our dialogue, as this will really help your movie flow. There are 2 ways to include dialogue. One is to add audio to your movie. We looked at how to do this in the first activity. The second is to add text through speech or thought bubbles. The easiest way to do this is to make paper speech bubbles and photograph them alongside your animations. For our movie, I've used both audio and speech bubbles, and I've used different coloured paper for different characters. And while I'm at it, I've made the title and end page too.
It looks like we're ready to put the whole movie together.
Let's do it, and remember to have fun.
Ready?
Let's go.
Hi, I'm Josh and welcome to Act for Eden, a scrap motion movie all about the River Eden and the role we can play in caring for it.
Oh, it is good to be home. Mind you, the Eden's changed a bit while I've been away. Hey, Don't throw me in here. I can't swim. Oh no. Hey, get off. Leave me alone. Oh, that was close.
Today I'm talking to Sammy the salmon after their traumatic encounter with Polly Bag in the Eden River near Carlisle. Sammy, can you tell me what happened?
Well, Josh, it's been a long time since I swam in this part of the river. I left when I was quite small and I was making my way back home to start a family.
That's lovely, Sammy, but from what I hear, today's incident could have seen an end to all of those plans.
Absolutely. I'm lucky to be alive. That Polly Bag came out of nowhere and wrapped itself around me so tightly I thought I was a goner for sure. If I hadn't grown so big and strong while I was out in the ocean, well, I don't think I'd be here talking to you now.
Wow, that must have been scary. Do you think it could have been avoided?
For sure. No offence to Polly, but they shouldn't have been there, or anywhere for that matter. Ditch the disposables, I say.
I never realised it was such an issue. Makes you think again about picking up that cheap plastic bag at the supermarket, doesn't it? I'll remember to bring my own next time.
Wow, what a great movie! Thanks so much, Josh and Jane, for all your help. I'm so looking forward to seeing everyone's movies. Remember, these short movies are all about taking action. Josh's mini-me decides he's going to ditch the disposables in his and Jane's movie, but what will you do? There are lots of actions you can choose from, like flushed with success, taps off for teeth, ditch the alien hitchhikers, be a legendary litter picker, clean up your act, take shorter showers, only flush pee, poo and paper, eat sustainable seafood, and garden for Eden. We'd love it if your mini-me river champion decides to take on one of these actions in your movie. You can find out more about what the different actions mean by going to the Act for Eden website, and there's loads of information and resources on the Eden Rivers Trust website too.
Thank you so much for getting involved, and don't forget to share your movies. You can use the hashtag ActForEden.
Bye.
Bye!